Hello and welcome to series 2. And in this series, we're going to be doing something quite new. And what we're going to be doing is that we are going to, in this particular series, review the work of another installer. We're just going to review it. It's a 3 kilowatt hybrid inverter paired with a 2.5 kilowatt hour lithium battery. And there's a lot of claim that the installer made regarding what the unit can do. And so all we are just trying to do is to review it and make sure that it is actually able to deliver what the installer said it's going to deliver. Yeah, so the aim of these review videos is not to disrespect any installer, but it is to help the installers to deliver more satisfaction to their customers. Because what my aim ultimately is that we save our planet. And how do I do that? How am I going to be able to save the planet? Is going to be one step at a time. Yeah. So the more the customers are of these installers are being satisfied, the more they are going to recommend more business for the installers, and the more people we get onto solar systems, the less CO2 emission we'll be getting from people burning generator fuels, and the better chance will stand as a race, as not just a race, but as a people. Yeah, the human race will be able to win this war against climate change, and we'll be able to save the planet. So it's one step at a time. So it is not to disrespect the work of all these installers. They are doing a very great job. I'm from Africa. I've worked with a lot of very intelligent installers. So these reviews are just going to we're just going to find out if the claims of the installers are actually true, if all the load that they are saying that the units are going to carry, the units will actually be able to carry them. So that's just all we are going to be achieving with these exercises. Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, let me. And now let's get on to the video. Let's see the video and let's see the loads that the installer is talking about. Let's go.
Alright, here is another successful installation. A 3 kVA inverter with 2.5 kilowatt hour lithium battery, and here is the protective kit to protect the inverter. So everything is working perfectly. Still testing everything, and everything is working good. So you can use it to power your TV, lightning, fan, freezer also, or fridge. This setup can even power 2 freezer at the same time during the day, and you can also use it for blender also. So if you want something like this, you can contact technology and we will surely give you. Thank you.
All right, welcome back. And and these are the loads that I would say I was able to make out from his illustration. I was able to make out one TV, and there was a lot of lighting in the house. So I would say a minimum of 20 lighting points. I was also able to make out of a normal fan as a load. He said 2 fridge freezers. So I'm just going to take 2 fridge freezers, although it was just one that was there. But he made mention of something that it was it will be able to power 2 fridge freezers during the day, which is very important thing that he added there. So we are going to be analyzing that as well, and see the reason why he said during the day. Yeah. And one of the main reasons is that during the day Yeah, it depends on the number of panels that you have though. During the day, you can your inverter just converts your DC voltage from your solar panels directly to AC, and then it just powers the load in the house. So there is some credit to what he said, that during the day. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, but the issue we arise if the solar panels are not sized large enough to take all the loads, and also with enough to charge the battery, then the all the load during the day is just going to be going straight to all the power coming from the solar panels, I beg your pardon, during the day is just going to be going straight to the load, and nothing will be left to charge the battery. So this is one problem at times that people face, installers face, where they tell the client that it can power a lot more stuff, kind of like over promising but under delivering. Telling them that it can power a lot of load during the day, yeah, and then the client just go all out and then start powering everything, but not knowing that they'll be using all the power that these panels will be generating for the load, with nothing left to charge the battery for when the night comes. Yeah. So also I was able to make out a blender there as well. So we have in total one TV, at least 20 lighting points, one fan, two fridge freezers, and then one blender. So in the next video, I'm going to be putting some power rating to these loads, and then we'll be able to see if the 3 kilowatt um, hybrid inverter will be able to take this load during the day, and also how long the 2 kilowatt hour battery is going to last if it runs on all this load. I know it's definitely not going to last. That is why he said during the day. So we're going to assume that when the night comes, the customer is going to switch off the fridge freezer, yeah, and then maybe just leave only the lighting point and then the TV on, and maybe the fan probably. So we're going to analyze that and see, even with just that reduced load, how long the 2 kilowatt hour battery is going to last. Yeah. So I am big on starting small. Yeah. But starting small with proper battery usage management is quite crucial, because I believe that if you are going for an a solar power generator, then it should be able to last you all through the night. Even if it's just reduced loads you're carrying with it, it should be able to last you all through the night. So at the end of the day, after our analysis, we'll be able to give some recommendations as well as to how the customer should use the package that they have at the moment. Yeah. And then as they have more money, definitely with this 3 kilowatt inverter and 2 kilowatt hour lithium battery, they can add to it. They can double it. You know, so that's the thing. You can start small and then improve, or get better. Yeah. All right. So I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and like always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.